Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the best way to build wealth for beginners. Want to achieve financial freedom but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down simple, proven strategies that can help you build wealth, even if you're starting from zero. Stick around because these tips could change your financial future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth building tip. How to build wealth for beginners. Building wealth is a long-term process that requires discipline, knowledge, and strategic financial decisions. Many people assume wealth building is reserved for the privileged or those who inherit fortunes, but the truth is that anyone can achieve financial success with the right mindset and strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to build wealth from scratch. 1. Develop a wealth-building mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in financial success. Wealthy individuals think differently about money, focusing on growth and long-term gains instead of instant gratification. Key principles: delayed gratification. Avoid unnecessary spending today to secure a better financial future. Financial literacy. Continuously educate yourself on investing, budgeting, and personal finance. Positive money habits. Adopt habits that align with wealth building, such as saving regularly and making informed financial decisions. 2. Create a solid budget. A budget is the foundation of any financial plan. It helps track income, expenses, and savings to ensure you're living within your means. Steps to create a budget: track your income and expenses, identify where your money comes from and where it goes. Categorize spending, divide expenses into needs, rent, groceries, utilities, and wants, entertainment, dining out. Cut unnecessary costs, find areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing quality of life. Follow the 50-30-20 rule, allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card balances, can be a major obstacle to wealth building. How to get rid of debt? Prioritize high-interest debt first. Use the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rates first, to reduce overall interest payments. Consider the snowball method. Pay off small debts first for psychological wins, then tackle bigger debts. Avoid unnecessary borrowing. Only take on debt if it helps you generate income, such as a mortgage or business loan. 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net in case of unexpected expenses like medical bills or job loss. How to build an emergency fund? Start small. Save at least $1,000 to begin. Aim for 3-6 months of expenses. Once you have a starter fund, work towards saving enough to cover essential expenses for a few months. Keep it accessible. Store the funds in a high-yield savings account for easy access. 5. Increase your income. The more you earn, the faster you can build wealth. Focus on ways to increase your earning potential. Ways to boost income: ask for a raise, negotiate your salary based on performance and market value. Develop high-income skills. Learn skills like coding, sales, or digital marketing to access higher-paying opportunities. Start a side hustle. Consider freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation to supplement your income. Invest in yourself. Education and personal development lead to higher earning potential. 6. Start investing early. Investing allows your money to grow over time through compound interest and asset appreciation. Best investment options: stock market. Invest in index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks. Real estate. Buy rental properties or invest in REITs. Retirement accounts. Contribute to 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA for long-term wealth. Passive income assets. Consider dividend stocks, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending. Tips for investing wisely: start small. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. Diversify. Spread investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Think long-term. Avoid panic selling and stay committed to your investment strategy. 7. Save and invest consistently. Building wealth is not about making one big move. It's about consistently saving and investing over time. Strategies for consistent investing: automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to savings and brokerage accounts. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Reinvest dividends and interest. Allow earnings to compound by reinvesting them. 8. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Maximizing tax benefits can significantly impact wealth accumulation. Tax-advantaged accounts, 401k and IRA, reduce taxable income while growing retirement savings. Health Savings Account, HSA, triple tax benefits for medical expenses. 529 Plan, tax-free growth for education expenses. Tax optimization tips, claim deductions and credits, take advantage of all eligible tax breaks. Consult a tax professional. Optimize tax strategies to keep more of your earnings. 9. Protect your wealth. Wealth protection is as important as wealth accumulation. Steps to protect your assets. Get adequate insurance, health, life, and property insurance. Safeguard against financial disasters. Create an estate plan. A will or trust ensures your wealth is transferred according to your wishes. Diversify investments. Spread risk across different assets and industries. 10. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Wealthy individuals create multiple income streams. Passive income ideas. Rental properties generate monthly income through real estate. Dividend stocks earn a passive income from stock dividends. Online businesses start a blog, YouTube channel, or digital course. Royalties and licensing monetize intellectual property like books or patents. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. By developing good financial habits, increasing income, investing wisely, and protecting your assets, you can achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your financial journey, implementing these principles will set you on the path to lasting wealth. Start today. Your future self will thank you. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies and mindset, anyone can do it. Which tip did you find the most helpful? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and share this with someone who needs it. Want to learn more? Watch this next video for even more money-making tips.